There are more and more parents every year who have reached the conclusion that educating their children at home has become a much better option than what the public schools have to offer. There are plenty of advantages to homeschooling. Homeschooling offers flexibility of scheduling and the reward of knowing that your child is learning the values and morals that are important to your family. When it comes to homeschooling, there are many different types of approaches that you will come across in your research. Probably the most common type of approach taken today would be best described as an eclectic approach. This is where the parents, over time, have come to use various components of several different approaches and combine them into an overall educational process that works best for their child and their family. Many parents, when they just start out, seem overwhelmed by all of the information available. There is a vast amount of information available. Don't panic, you'll sort through it in time and find what works best for you and your family. Don't grind to a halt and suffer from paralysis just because you try to gather more information than anyone could possibly process. For this reason, many families choose to go with a packaged curriculum. Although, initially, you might feel as though a packaged curriculum is not within your budget, if you are just starting out, this may be the best and most organized way for you to begin. You can always take what you learn from a packaged curriculum and develop your own model. As you look through all the possibilities and programs for homeschooling your child, keep in mind that any homeschooling program needs to follow the natural growth pattern of your child. In other words, you'll want to find or develop a package that contains not only a natural progression in the subject matter, but you'll also want to be mindful of any documentation that is required by your state and local regulations. It would be safe to say that for the majority of homeschooling parents, their curriculum has developed over time. Don't worry if you feel like you don't have everything perfectly aligned in the beginning. This is one of the great advantages to homeschooling: you don't have to be perfect, and you don't have to follow a perfect schedule. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.